debated. Did the defense mess up by not embracing insanity from the get-go? You just heard a defense attorney, Jennifer Willman, arguing with the prosecution psychologist who had said Jodi is a borderline personality disorder person. She's suffering from mental illness. And they're saying no, no, no. Was that a huge mistake? Starting with Jordan Rose for the prosecution.
Oh, Jane, this is an absolute Hail Mary by the defense. You can't have it both ways. And Jodi may be in our, common terms. She's insane. Sure, she's nutty. She killed someone. Anyone who's killed someone is clearly nutty. But the legal definition of insanity is, did Jodi understand the consequences of her actions? And this is a dictionary definition of someone who absolutely understood it. She planned it for months. She carried it out. And then she covered it up, for goodness sakes. There is no possibility that this woman is legally insane.
Evangeline Gomez for the